ලෝකෝ විනස්සතු මාතේ භවස්වන්තරායෝ සුඛී දීඝායුකෝ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ. සග්ග සම්පatti මේච පරිනිර්වාණ සම්පatti විනාදේ සමිජ්ජතු.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Okay. Very good. Beautiful. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. No hot, but only outside rain. Before rain, yeah, you be 5 minutes. Then rain start or not? Dato Dr. Andy, come here, front. Dr. Ram Rao. Dato Dr. Tony. Thank you. No, can. Okay. And all our I'm so happy, highly appreciate our Savanaksur Isau Dhammadipo Deepa Dhammo. Ipa Isau Deepa Dhammo here. I'm so happy. And our Venerable, always I forgot the name. Acharo. Yes, our Malaysians, all is a Venerable Acharo. Acharo is a Kajang, not Kajang, Kepon temple. All our and our Venerable Dr. Vanaratana Tero. He just came from the Sri Lanka today evening he flight also, but very rushed. As he have a many appointment, but here I am highly appreciated. And our Venerable Sila Ratana also from Sri Lanka, and Venerable Vajira, and our other two Venerable, I also, many Venerable, sometimes stay with me, stay my temple also, forgot the name, I know that two Venerables are here. All our Venerable, mostly welcome. Now, actually, today, not very long prayer. You are come here, already pray. Before come, think, I want to go Serendai, spiritual meditation center. Correct? Yeah. That's your thing, when I got my message, your desire to go that day until this is the Buddha teaching. Your way of life, your way until here, that is the way of life. You have come to, not to go party and function, you have come to prayers, need protection. That is you have come all the way. I saw a madam early morning, yesterday I sleep for 6 o'clock, I saw 7 o'clock, madam, you know. Yeah. Very far, not here near. so many far you are coming here. Yeah. And I am very happy. Our Sri Lankan, our High Commissioner, our Excellency here. Very especially, our Excellency is no religion, but born Muslim. Everyone born one family have a religion. Someone Buddhist, someone Muslim, someone Catholic, Hindu, whatever. Because of your respect what you born. After born you respect all the human are same. All the religions are same. Respect everyone. I am highly respect our High Commissioner. That day last week I spoke to my dear brother Mahinda, Jayasuriya. Always here with me, guide me, always. I am highly appreciative. But he is with last week I spoke. Our Excellency last week invited me to Johor Bahru. I am very busy. My Ipokatina finish after my Kulagara opinion, my temple president suddenly passed. I want to go there. Second day, last week, very respectfully all the religion. Last week, I bring the white cloth. White cloth carry the bag. Others don't know. Some many Buddhists also they don't know. After he put the one chair white cloth, I am seeing the white cloth. That is the traditional respect for the monk. Monk to separate arrange. Same thing in Malacca, the temple also arrange white cloth and highly respect for the monk. That's why he bring all the fruits and everything of only. He's a very, I'm respectful, very highly respect. And later coming our main helpers and our main my devotee Dato Angela on the way. Now here our president same like no talk to the age limited thing. I think my own brothers here take care of me well. Sri Rajata Roger Tan. Welcome. And until today this spiritual saint I can run nearly more than 10 years, going to 15 years. Our Tan champion here, Sri Rajata, he is the one helped me to giving this house to running our center. His and his brother-in-law, Mr. Ko, and his wife, Mrs. Ko, Madam Ko, Mrs. Tan, everyone getting venerable. You are not enough this place. We must build big temple. Just see looking land 3 acres. Our Dato Angela helped me to buy more than millions. Already we bought new land. This is the Vyagol, not only temple. I would like to share to Dharma. Sharing Dharma College is the very big logistic company owner. He's a very simple person and come with our Dati and all the mothers and family. We are highly appreciated you are here. You are inform you everyone each one. And our Dr. Rama always come and help. Only one is venerable. I want to come for dana for you. Sometime wake up always here. And our Dato Dr. Durai and our Datin Madhu. Today they are starting this year Vasa. Their first day they are come here. Invite monk. I am in Vasa day. They are come here. Invite monk. Okay, I like to offer something, and I like the contribution to the Vasa. He come here yesterday until few days. He organized a friend and everyone to come and organize this Vasa. Thank you, Mr. Dr. Tony Durai, for your kindness and your offering the main draw for the monk. And our lawyer Vinod, he's the father actually Malaysian first judge, Sri Lankan Ceylon judge. He's the father. And his son is a lawyer, and our madams are here.
Okay, we are now going to start the procession. So just after playing the drums and all the traditional way of dancing, so we are doing it, and while we are starting the chant, භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දන්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දන්ස
Say sadhu and everyone sharing offering with the puja. Okay. Say sadhu all. Until you say sadhu, please. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sadhu, 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 sadhu.
Bhagavatu Sabda Mangalam Rakhantu Sabda
Okay. Mr. Rajab done? Welcome, Mr. Yeah, enough to do this. Okay, everyone come here. The processing thing outside like giving here. You can't walk without slipper, can wear slipper, you without slipper can go, very good also exercise. Eh? You want to, okay, everyone come together. Hari takkan sehitiu bebacang. भावेन सदा सोत्ति भवन्तु ते साधु साधु साधु. Everyone come one down basin and after go and sit. भवतु सर्व मंगलं रक्षन्तु सर्व देवता सर्व बुद्धान् भावेन सदा सोत्ति भवन्तु ते भवतु सर्व मंगलं रक्षन्तु सर्व देवता सर्व संघान् भावेन सदा सोत्ति भवन्तु ते भवतु सर्व मंगलं रक्षन्तु सर्व देवता सर्व बुद्धानुभावेन सर्व धम्मानुभावेन सर्व संघानुभावेन सदा सोत्ति भवन्तु ते साधु 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 साधु. भवतु सर्व मंगलं रक्षन्तु सर्व देवता सर्व बुद्धानुभावेन सर्व धम्मानुभावेन सर्व संघानुभावेन सदा सोत्ति भवन्तु ते. भवतु सर्व मंगलं रक्षन्तु सर्व देवता सर्व बुद्धानुभावेन सर्व धम्मानुभावेन सर्व संघानुभावेन सदा सोत्ति भवन्तु ते. भवतु सर्व मंगलं रक्षन्तु सर्व देवता सर्व बुद्धानुभावेन सर्व धम्मानुभावेन सर्व संघानुभावेन सदा सोत्ति भवन्तु ते. Yes. सर्व मंगलं रक्षन्तु सर्व देवता सर्व बुद्धानुभावेन सर्व धम्मानुभावेन सर्व संघानुभावेन सदा सोत्ति भवन्तु ते. साधु साधु. Okay, now everyone can see. Sabbe buddha parapatta pacchekaanantyam teji vakkanandhami sabbasu. Sadhu sadhu sadhu. Sabbe buddha parapatta pacchekaanantyam arhantani teji vakkanandhami sabbasu. Sabbi buddha balappattapacce kananchayam balangarantanam sabbasu Sabbi buddha balappattapacce kananchayam balangarantanam tejine rakkambandam sabbasu Sabbi buddha balappattapacce kananchayam balangarantanam tejine rakkambandam sabbasu Sabbi buddha balappattapacce Ini dia. Okay. Oh, welcome our India film director Vasudev Bhaskar here. Studio Media. Yeah. Very famous. And now Dhammika. Later you can see all the news, interesting news he also going. Today all the medias and here. Ini dia. Okay. Oh, welcome our India film director Vasudev Bhaskar here. Studio Media. Yeah. Very famous. And now Dhammika. Later you can see all the news, interesting news he also going. Today all the medias and here. Okay? Okay. I come sana. Okay. Roger Tan, come. I start. Roger Tan. Come. Okay. Sadhu. Okay. Sadhu. Tipiso okay.